Hi everyone, welcome all on UPDA platform. And there is a good news for the Assam aspirants as Assam Public Service Commission this notification out for assistant engineer post. 244 is the number of posts, guys. Huge number is there. So 244 number of posts, and this is a notification number. You can also go through on this website of Assam Public Service Commission, and you can just download this notification. And name of the post, assistant engineer civil in this department, public works road department and public works building and national highway department. Okay, two department are listed. 244 is the number of posts, guys, for the this assistant engineer post, civil engineering branch. And the number of posts as per this category for the women also, it is clearly mentioned, reservation of the post, you can see here. So number of posts, it is mentioned assistant engineer civil under this joint cadre of the public works department. And public works department, this is first one is for the road department, second one is the building and national highway department. Okay, and this is a kind of the breakup of the post. In open category, the number of posts is 117. This is for the reserve for women in the open category. And if you see here, the 73 number of posts, 73 number of posts are for the women. These are the reserved. Okay, so guys, if you want to prepare and if you want to grab this opportunity, very good opportunity for the Assam aspirants, so they can prepare with the UPDA Education. UPDA Education is the one of the biggest platform in India that you will find. So guys, currently if I little explain, currently the running module that we have now, just like JKSSB, Jammu Kashmir Staff Selection Board, JKPSC, Jammu Kashmir Public Service Commission, and this PPSC, Punjab Public Service Commission, HPPSC, Himachal Pradesh Public Service Commission, and NIC, and I think one more module is there for the West Bengal, GATE module is also there. So number of modules we are running, guys. And right now we are just launching a new module for the Assam guys only. Okay, those who wants to prepare, so just try to connect with the UPDA. So fill the Google form, you will find this Google form in description, or you can contact the number directly which is displayed below this video. And definitely whatever query that you have, guys, we will call back to you, our team will call back to you. Okay, now so a few things that I want to explain you guys. So now might be other state students are thinking, okay, can we apply, are we eligible? So let me tell you, this is this education qualification clearly mentioned, apart from English, the candidate should have adequate knowledge of at least one official language of the state of Assam. Okay, and this is Assami, Bengali or Bodo. If you have these languages, so definitely other states aspirants can apply. If they don't have, now this the race is only for the Assam guys only. If they don't have, now you have a good opportunity, guys. One more notification is there, another notification that we have for the junior engineer, guys. This again it is outed by this Assam Public Service Commission, same. Okay, this is Assam Public Service Commission, and this is the basically this notification number, and name of the post is junior engineer civil in what department? Public works road department and public works building and national highway department. Right now the number of posts are little less, it is 73 only, 73 number of posts. And let me tell you, these posts are reserved. So if you are belonging to a general category, open category, then you don't have this post in this particular notification. Okay, if you have reservation, then definitely he and she can apply. So you can see open category in total, no, the reserved for the women, there is no post for the women in the open category also, but there is a reservation, and you will find the total 73 posts, out of which 22 are the reserved for the women in case they have the reservation. Okay, and let me tell you, so UPDA is currently doing this efforts for the students to achieving their goals, because our prime motto is the selection, guys. So again saying, those who wants to prepare for this examination, this Assam Public Service Commission assistant engineer post as well as junior engineer post, they can contact with this UPDA, they can fill the Google form that you will find in the description, or they can directly call the number also. If anyone having any query, they can place the query, my team will call to them, definitely will call to them. Again, other state aspirants, those who are seeking, are we eligible? Then answer is you should have the official language. You should have well knowledge of that one. It should be in your this curriculum, like this Assami, Bengali or Bodo. Fine. So I think guys you will find this video informative. So all the best. Keep preparing with the UPD education. Thank you. Keep watching. Keep preparing.